Hi everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to do a square knot. You're going to start with 4 cords and we'll start on the left. You take your outermost left cord and make a 4 pattern. With this outermost right cord, you're going to cross the cord in front, pass it behind, and pull it out through this hole here. Hold the center cords as you tighten up the outer cords. And now you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So with your outermost right cord, you make a backwards 4. This cord goes over front, back behind, and out through this hole. Here's a tip: if you forget which side you just did and which one to do next, look at where the last bump is that you did, and that's the side you're going to start on. So I see the bump there, I'm going to start on the right. And when I complete that knot, now the bump is on the left side. Another thing you can do is use more than 4 cords to make a square knot. As long as you have 2 on the outside and at least 1 on the inside, you can have up to as many as you'd like on the inside. So let's start on the left again. Make a 4, cross in front, pass behind, out through this hole, and tighten up around all of those center cords.